This is Palm Beach Island, and if you've never seen it from above, you're about to understand why people spend their entire careers trying to get here. Hi, I'm Niki Higgins with the Seaside Group at Douglas Elliman. I've spent over 20 years selling waterfront property across South Florida, and today I want to take you on a tour of one of the most extraordinary stretches of coastline in the country, Palm Beach Island. On one side, you have this pristine Atlantic coastline, some of the widest and most protected beaches in South Florida. This is the Palm Beach that's been drawing presidents, industrialists, and old money families since the 1890s. And it still looks like this. And on the other side, the Intracoastal Waterway, calmer water, private docks, mega yachts coming and going. Most homes on the island get access to both. Ocean on one side, Intracoastal on the other. That's genuinely rare anywhere in the world. What makes Palm Beach different isn't just the water, it's the way of life here. Worth Avenue is minutes away. The dining, the shopping, the privacy. It's a small town that happens to be one of the wealthiest zip codes on earth. Whether you're looking at a classic Mediterranean estate, a modern oceanfront build, or a quiet intracoastal retreat, Palm Beach Island offers a range you won't find anywhere else in South Florida. Every block has its own character. Every address tells a different story. If you've ever thought about making South Florida home, or you already live here and you're ready for the next chapter, I'd love to help you find your place on this island. Reach out anytime. I'm Niki Higgins, and this is Palm Beach.